can always see the name. They say they want a real one. They say they want a real one to make them feel young.
That shit is rocking. Hey yo, what's good, family? Welcome back to Astro Nori for another video. I know I just did some white girl shit at the beginning of my video. Hey, I don't know what to say. I plead the fifth. But today we're gonna get into a couple packages that I recently did get. Some stuff that was from my birthday that just passed, honestly. A couple things that I did buy from Supreme. I just want to get into all of it in this video right here. But if you guys do end up enjoying this video, man, leave it a like down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click those post notification bells so you're notified each and every time I post a new video, and hey, your name might go ahead and pop up right here with the notification gang. Much love to y'all for always showing love, man. That shit definitely does mean a lot and it goes a long way. But without any further ado, let's go ahead and get straight into this video. So I'm gonna go ahead and get straight to it. Right here we do have a Lacoste package that I got like 2 weeks ago at this point. I didn't get anything major, but I did cook up on something, you know. It's kind of dookie, but it is what it is. I did get another Mary J. Blige sticker. I got a scratch box logo. This is like my 5th or 6th one at this point. I also did get these planet stickers and I got the little toy as well. But right here we do have the Lacoste beanie. This is what I picked up from the Lacoste week. Unfortunately, I tried to get the hoodie. Shit was a dub. There was something else that came out that week as well that I wanted and shit was a dub, bro. So it is what it is. I'm just glad that I cooked up on something. Even if it's just a beanie, it is what it is, you know. Like at least I cooked on something, bro. You got that Supreme right there sewn in, pretty good quality if I must say so. It got the little Lacoste crocodile right there, nothing on the back. You got the little tag that says Supreme on one side, Lacoste on the other right there. I do like this beanie because it is subtle and you can wear it with a lot of things. I don't feel like I have a subtle red beanie. The one that I have has like these strong ass things right there. This feels like it would be cozier than the ones I do own, so this is a fire pickup in my opinion. Lacoste beanie right here in the red color. Next up we got this big ass package right here. I did already open this one, but it is what it is. We do got these Supreme Hanes boxer briefs right there. You know I had to get the Bonte. This is important to have in the collection. And then we did pick up like 4 or 5 tees in this one or some shit like that. I'm gonna get into these, but we did also get the sticker pack right here. Right here we got the cheese tee. I am gonna be raffling this off, so I'm probably not gonna open it, unfortunately, but this is an okay tee in my opinion. It's just not my style. I do like the colorway on it though, nonetheless. I love that camo on this tee. It definitely makes the graphic pop on it way more. This is a size large and I probably will be raffling this off, so stay tuned for that. Next up we got the Bible tee. This is one that I'm actually going to be keeping for the personal, so I'm going to go ahead and open it for you guys. This tee right here is fire, bro. I love that graphic on the front. You got the little Supreme Bible with the cross on it. Then you got the little box logo on it as well. I do like this one a whole lot. It got that nice little graphic and I love the way red looks on me. So this is a fire piece. I'm gonna definitely be wearing this one right here. Y'all gonna see this coming up on the channel shortly. I don't have much red, but I feel like this is the perfect tee to go ahead and get in red because the graphic on it pops a lot. You got a little hints of blue and shit. It just looks really nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep this one for the personal for sure. Fire ass tee right here. This one's for sure for the personal. Next we got the weird back tee. This is one that I honestly am debating on raffling, but I do like the color on this one, so it might just have to stay with me. I'm gonna try and open it as best as possible just in case I do end up raffling it, because I don't want it to look all messed up, you know. Like what's really swaying me to keep this tee is the color on it. This blue is beautiful, bro. The blue that they used on this is definitely really nice. I like the fact that the Supreme is really subtle on it. This is a different type of graphic. I know that a lot of people might not like this one right here, but I actually really do. It's nothing over the top. It's something really simple. I mainly love this color, bro. It's really just the blue that's getting me. It's like this bluish, purplish, grayish color. I honestly really do like it a lot. Right there's the actual graphic in itself. It's like this samurai dude talking some shit at the bottom right there. It's alright, bro. It does say 1994 Supreme right there at the bottom. Fucking, you gotta wear a microscope to see it, but it's still cool. Feel me? Cool tee right here. Right here we do have the American tee or something like that. I honestly don't know the specific name for this one. The American Dream or some shit like that. I don't know. The American Picture tee. This one is cool too. Like it's nothing over the top. I did get this one in black and low key. Yo, this shit is hard too, bro. All these tees kind of did grow on me, as y'all can see. I kind of like this one, bro. She's flipping them off. Honestly, I'm debating on raffling this one as well. Y'all gotta let me know in the comments if I should. I might raffle them a little bit down the line because I don't don't want to really just raffle them off for no reason. I don't really need money right now, but it is what it is. I feel like this is still pretty cool at the end of the day. You got the white ladies at the top, black lady flipping them off because they on some racist bullshit. It is what it is, bro. You got that little Supreme box logo in the corner as well right there. Fire tee. I feel like this one did grow on me a whole lot. Yo, these tees were actually pretty clean. I don't know why people are sleeping. I'm not sleeping, bro. I'm wide awake. Like, so we just ran through 4 tees, the Lacoste beanie, and the Bonte. We got a couple more things to open, then we're gonna get straight up out the building. Right here, I actually do have a pair of Vans that my little brother and sister bought me for my birthday. I typically don't really get much for my birthday, so it's really cool for them to even go out of their way to buy me something. That's really nice of them. And they got me these black and checkered Vans right here. They see that I wear Vans literally all the time, so they went ahead and bought me these. I'm honestly really grateful, and I probably will use these a whole lot, bro. Honestly, I bought them Vans like 2 and 3 months ago, and them shits are destroyed. I'm gonna probably show y'all what they look like. Bro, these shits are beat. They're not even like white anymore. Look at these shits. So it's definitely nice of them to get me these because I will be using them a lot, bro. Like, I low-key want to buy another pair of these just to keep them brand new in case I do want to just wear a fresh pair. We do have another package right here. Got another sticker pack right there. Got the little cheese sticker. You got the little cloud or pillow sticker right there. And we do have the pillow tee, which is honestly my favorite one in my favorite color. This is like a minty, like chewed on gum type green. This is definitely for the personal. I've been waiting to get one of these tees with the multicolor on it. I love that design, and it's just fire, bro. This cloud tee right here, or pillows tee, is a vibe, bro. Come on, this is so clean to me. I'ma definitely keep this for the personal. There's nothing getting me to sell this right here. I love this color on it. It's like this, I don't even know how to explain it. It's like a dusty teal greenish color, I guess. This is so clean though. You got the different multicolored pillows on it. I actually really love this design. I love what they did with it. They always kill it when it comes to these like multicolor Supreme font designs. I feel like this is one of the better ones. There low-key have been some bangers. I feel like this is a fire tee that you can just rock on a day-to-day. I know I got the more weirder color as far as the tee goes, but I just feel like it goes hand in hand with the tee. They never do a color like this, so I had to go ahead and get that weird color. I actually single carded this piece right here because I was afraid that I would lose it, so I'm glad that I did because I feel like I would have lost it, bro. So clean ass pickup right here. This is probably my favorite pickup from the whole video besides the Vans, obviously, but this is fire. Now we're about to get into the last package that I do have to show you guys today, and here we do have some more stickers. We got the American T sticker, and we do have this nipple sticker right there. Then we got the regular box logo, and here we do have the little tool set, and we do have a couple more things I am going to show you guys. The screwdriver set does come in like this little package right here. You got the little tool set in here, which says Supreme right there in the little box logo. It's kind of like embossed on there, which is pretty cool. Then you have like the little clasp right here. Open that up, and here you have the little chart telling you what size the screws are and all that extra shit. You got the handle that says Supreme on it and all the other pieces to it. Even this little piece right there does say Supreme. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but even this says Supreme on it, which is really fire. I do like this because in the future when I do have my own crib, I probably will need a tool set, so this is the perfect one, bro. Like, you have everything you need. Supreme on top of that. Come on, bro. Like, we cannot go wrong with this right here. People are sleeping. I low-key feel like this is still up on the website, and in the future people gonna be like, yo, what happened to that tool set? Yeah, I got that shit. Fuck that. I know the brush is like OD, but this right here is actually pretty cool. They actually did send me another one of these. I feel like I have 10 of them at this point, and I don't really need them, but we have 2 more tees, and then we're gonna get straight up out of here. I do like both of these tees for the personal, so I will open them for you guys. Right here we have the mercenary tee, I believe it's called. There's like this masked man right there with like the little gun. Then you have the Supreme right under it. I love the way that the purple pops on this black color like crazy. I like the white one because it had like a black graphic, but this one right here is definitely a pop of color that I can't go wrong with, bro. I love this design right here. This was one of the ones that were my favorites. I just like the way that it looks. The little masked man right there looks kind of weird, I'm not gonna lie to you, but that's Supreme for you. You got the little Supreme text at the bottom right there. This is one tee that I don't know, I feel like this is not for everybody, but I definitely do like it, and I feel like I haven't been buying much black tees for the personal lately, so this is one that I'm gonna keep in the personal collection for a while. Now last up, we probably got one of my favorite tees simply because of the color that I bought it in. It's like this ash gray, but it's really like a pink, ash pink type color. Yo, this one fire, bro. This colorway is insane. I wish I could see like the little speckles of gray inside the color. you can't see it, but it's like an ash pink. Like, it's so weird to explain. It's just a fire colorway, bro. I wish I could really explain it to you guys, but I can't. I'm gonna try and get it as close as I can right here. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's like little hints of gray or like a different tone of color in it, which is super clean. I do like this colorway right here. It does have like these 3 different pictures right there on the front with the Supreme in the little corner. This tee right here is definitely a vibe. I feel like I'm gonna wear this one more than any of those other tees simply because of the color. I love the way that pink looks on me. It's just in general a fire ass tee. But this is the last pickup that I had for you guys today. If you did enjoy this video, go ahead and leave it a like down below. Let me know what your favorite tee that dropped was, the favorite tee that I picked up. Let me know what you thought about this video. Leave a like down below if you did enjoy. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click those post notification bells if you want to be notified each and every time I post a new video. And without any further ado, man, I'm gonna get straight up out of here. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a